In this video, we're going to discuss the 4 main functions of management that every successful manager should master: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. First up is planning. This is the process of setting goals and determining the best way to achieve them. For example, Microsoft might plan to increase its market share in the cloud computing sector by launching a new innovative service. Next is organizing. This involves arranging resources and tasks to meet those goals. In Microsoft's case, this could mean assembling a team of skilled engineers and providing them with the necessary resources to develop the new service. Thirdly, we have leading. This is where managers direct and motivate their team to meet the organization's objectives. A good leader doesn't just tell people what to do, they inspire them to do it. For instance, Microsoft's manager might motivate the team by sharing the vision of how their new service could revolutionize the cloud computing industry. Finally, there's controlling. This involves monitoring the organization's performance to ensure it's meeting its goals. This could involve Microsoft's manager reviewing the development progress and market response to ensure the new service is on track to achieve its intended market share. Mastering these 4 functions can help any manager guide their organization towards success. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and visit our website at skilltex.com for more educational content on business and management. Thanks for watching, and remember, the key to success is lifelong learning.